Salut tout le monde, and welcome to another French class episode. In this video, we are going to learn about the most important thing to remember about the gender of French nouns and 5 rules to help you guess the gender of French nouns correctly. But before that, if you're still not familiar with French nouns, please watch my previous video on nouns and the definite article. I'll put the link in the description below. And as always, please make sure to watch until the end of the video for a quick exercise to help you apply and better remember what you just learned from today's class. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, the most important thing to remember about the gender of French nouns is that it is always tied to its word and rarely to the physical person or thing the noun signifies. This means that nouns, the words themselves, have their own gender regardless of the gender of the person or thing they're referring to. For example, la table, which means table, is a feminine noun or word, although the thing it refers to, the furniture, does not really have any gender or is neutral. The gender of French nouns is one of the trickiest parts of the language to learn. Even though, with practice and in time, one will eventually memorize which French nouns are masculine and which are feminine, here are 5 rules to help you learn these genders faster, or at least guess them correctly. Number 1. Nouns that refer to males are usually masculine, while nouns that refer to females are usually feminine. For example, l'homme, the man; le garçon, the boy; la femme, the woman; la fille, the girl. The ending of a noun can be a clue to its gender. Here are some masculine and feminine endings: au, le bureau, le château; isme, le tourisme, l'idéalisme; mon, le moment, le département; onze, la différence, l'existence; I, la tragédie, la compagnie; ion, la nation, la fonction; T, l'université, la diversité; Ud, l'attitude, la solitude; Ur, la littérature, l'ouverture. As in any rule, watch out for exceptions. L'eau, for example, although it ends in O, is feminine, which means water. La peau, again, which ends in O, is also feminine, which means skin. And le silence, although it ends in ons, is masculine, which means silence. Number 3. Nouns adopted from other languages are usually masculine, such as le jogging, le tennis, le jazz, le basketball. An exception would be la pizza, which is feminine. Some nouns referring to people indicate gender by their ending. The feminine form of these nouns often ends in E. For example, l'américain, which refers to a male American; l'américaine, which refers to a female American; le français, the Frenchman; la française, the French woman; l'ami, the male friend; l'amie, the female friend; l'étudiant, the male student; l'étudiante, the female student. Please note that the final D, N, S, and T are silent in the masculine form, as in the examples above. But when followed by E in the feminine form, D, N, S, and T are pronounced. Number 5. For certain nouns referring to people, the gender of the individual is sometimes indicated by the article alone. The spelling of these nouns does not change regardless of whether the person referred to is a male or a female. For example, le touriste, and la touriste are spelled the same, although depending on their article, they may refer to a male or to a female tourist. The same is true for le secrétaire and la secrétaire. To recap, here are the 5 rules that'll help you guess the gender of French nouns. Number 1, nouns that refer to males are usually masculine, while nouns that refer to females are usually feminine. Number 2, the ending of a noun can be a clue to its gender. Number 3, nouns adopted from other languages are usually masculine. 4, some nouns referring to people indicate gender by their ending. The feminine form of these nouns often ends in E. And number 5, for certain nouns referring to people, the gender of the individual is sometimes indicated by the article alone. Now it's time for a quick exercise. Guess the gender, masculine or feminine, of the following nouns correctly. Write your answers in the comment section, and I'll do my best to check them. Prononciation. Pronunciation. Prononciation. Gâteau. Cake. Gâteau. Liberté. Freedom. Liberté. Sculpture. 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 Réalisme. Realism. Réalisme. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new from it, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more French classes and related content. Merci beaucoup et bonne journée.